What's up, everybody? We're back, and I know it's been a while, but we've been busy. But if you've been following along on our Instagram, you saw that Huey and I did our first track day, which here's some video of that now. But so we learned a lot on our first day. We learned these have more than enough power for us. Lots of pressure in the rear tires work. But we had two big issues, at least I did. So we found out that my $100 coilovers are garbage, and then we also found out that we have issues with the S13 arms. We lost a lot of caster, and it pushes the wheel back into the firewall, and there's a lot of rubbing. So let's look at that. As you can tell, we have issues rubbing here, and here, and here. And I'm rubbing on the harness, but we're gonna fix that later. I don't feel like doing that today. So what we're gonna do to fix that is over here. Let's look. First, to try and get back some of the caster we lost with the S13 arms, we have these Xcessive tension rods. They're adjustable, they're angled more so they don't rub. We got their bushing inserts. And also now to make more clearance and also to make more clearance on the firewall and anywhere else we're rubbing, I have this. It's a man hammer, air hammer. So we're gonna have some fun with this today. And yeah, so it should be a short video. It should go pretty quick. Huey's actually already done the tension rods on his car. I need more work because I'm lower, but
yeah, next video will cover what's on the Great Cressida. Yeah, for today, let's
let's get started.
Fit now. Towards the oil pan. Yeah, like that. Pop that in there and you swing it around and you just kind of pull on it. Just swing it above your lower arm. That's way far. Alright, so as Justin's getting ready to do the other side, I just wanted to point out the Volvo lip that we're rocking on these. Like, he has one and I have one, and we grabbed these from the junkyard. And you can see right here on my phone, if you can read it, these are the Volvo models that this lip comes on. So my junkyard has an app that lets me add the cars, and it tells me if these cars are at the junkyard. So yeah, that's what we did, and went on a lucky weekend where there were 4 Volvos, 3 of them with lips, and I got all 3. On the stock tension rods, they use these little caster washers. You leave enough gap on the nuts when you go to adjust it, because the caster washer is different from passenger to driver's side. Yeah.
Alright, so we're done with the tension rods, and it pulled the hub forward a lot, so hopefully that helps us. Now to clear the firewall, we're gonna hit all these parts where it's rubbing with the air hammer. So what I'm gonna do first is make some slots in here just to make it easier to hammer down. and then we're gonna have some fun. So that's next.
Excited?
Alright, so we're almost done. Well, we did all the hard part. Moved, made some clearance, tension rods are in, so now we're just gonna paint everything just to kind of keep it from rusting and to see everywhere we rub, so that next time we get in there we can just hammer where it's shiny. Alright, so that's it for today. Stay tuned, we got more videos coming, we got some rear end stuff going on, and yeah, so follow us on Instagram, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.